you see a building that should be beautifully illuminated by the sun up on top, gold up there, real gold on top of a building. That is definitely frosting on that cake. So it tells you it's older. That one's from 1929. It's an old office building called the Carbide and Carbon Building. Nowadays, it's called the Pendry Hotel. We take a lot of our old office buildings and convert them into hotels. You'll see a few more of those on this tour. Now on the left, you're going to see a building that is from 1913. It gives you a good example of how we used to build buildings along the Chicago River. This is an old warehouse called the Reed Murdoch Warehouse, designed by George C. Nimmons from 1913. Count the bays of windows, because to the left of the clock tower, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bays of windows. To the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bays of windows. Now, that was originally a symmetrical building. Unfortunately, about 10 years after it was built, the city decided to widen that street back there, LaSalle Street. And instead of going around the existing building, which would have put a big, inconvenient bend in our otherwise very straight grid system of streets, they literally plowed through the building. They just knocked off a bay, finished off the edge. Couldn't even really tell, right? Chicago, the city that works. By the way, really quickly, this is about waving time.